up, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Marty. I'm back with another daggone video. Alright, so today, y'all see I got a package. It's a little small package, but it's something to first mod of the CHRYSLER 300. So we about to go check it out and see what it is. But first of all, let's go ahead and give this thing a co-star, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, man. So I'm already messing up. I'm so excited right now because it's just something simple, but it's something that you should do when you get this car. And the second one is a must, the second mod that I get. So without further ado, let me go ahead and start this baby up. Playing. So let's go ahead and start up the logger. She probably won't do it because the hood is open. Oh, reset. Let's see what it sounds like. Woo, she sounds good. I think I've been driving her today, so she wasn't really that cold today. And you see, it's a nice sunny day. That's sun out there, man. So she still got her shine too. I gotta really give her a good wax. But yeah, we got this package right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Yeah, turn it off, man. So we about to see what this package is. All right, so y'all see me. I'm outside, man. I got my DC Valler stuff. So look what I got here, man. I mean, I don't want to litter, so let's put this right here. So I got me some HIDs, man. This is not no sponsor, but I like these they're not HIDs, they're LEDs. So I like these LEDs because I had them on my Mazda 3, and they were so bright. So let me have y'all check them out. Let me see if I can get them open. It's the hardest box to get open, isn't it? So all right, so cool. So yeah, got these joints coming in, man. How y'all like them? So we better go test them out. We better go put them on. So let's go pop this hood and knock it out. So got my LEDs. I ain't lie about y'all, man. I got the 5.7 and thing. So this side is gonna be the hardest side to get to because I have the intake right here. So I gotta unscrew all this to take the intake off to actually get to this light bulb right here. But this is gonna be the easiest one because I don't have to move anything. All I have to do is just turn this and then it'll come off, and then yeah, that's all I gotta do. And I'm gonna change that headlight right there. First of all, I'm gonna show y'all what the headlight looks like right now. So let me show y'all that little picture or a video. All right, Grizzly Squad, so if you see, these my headlights right here, they're yellow. So my fog lights, they are nice and white. I hope my fog, yeah, there you go. See them, they nice and white. Yeah, let me see, it probably won't even get it good. See, it got that little glare, and they show like the little blink and everything. But yeah, that's how my lights look right now. All right, so we're gonna change what is the right side light bulb right now to see what it look like. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all the steps what to do to get that. But yeah, this is it. All you gotta do is twist it out. I'm not gonna touch it because I can still use these if I don't attach them right now. But yeah, I just took that out. I didn't even time lapse it. I'm sorry about that, y'all. So all you got to do is, let me show you. You lefty-loosey, twist this off. You come in here. You unclip. Can't even get it. Dang it. I'm happy that my car is pretty much brand new, man. So, yeah, you unclip this. Then you do a lefty-loosey this. And then you go get your... Get this. It's hard to do stuff in one hand. Come on. You unbox that. Then you attach this. Then you just plug and play. That's all you got to do. It's so easy. But that's going to be the hardest part because you got to unscrew all that. So anybody can do this, man. I'm not even a big mechanic, but I used to fix cars back in the day. But this is easier than a lot of the older cars. So I'm about to plug this joint in now.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
All right, y'all, this is the finished product. So let me go ahead and show y'all. You see how white it is from the last time? I don't got those on, but yeah, that's white. So it matches with this now. I didn't like it yellow. So I'm gonna show y'all the difference. All right, so this is the one that didn't change. And this is the one that did change. So everything nice and white now. That's how I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Evan gonna help me. so I don't have all the tools I need, but you can also use this with some pliers right here and just open that. But I didn't have my socket wrench. I'm gonna have to buy some so I can. So once you do that, you can take this off and then you can go ahead and change the light bulb. It's fairly easy. Grizzly Squad, so y'all saw I finally got it out. So I got it on the floor right there, and I got this I got the top of the intake sitting right here, and I got the actual intake, the filter sitting right there, and I got all the tools and the screws sitting up there, so I can't lose them. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna do another time lapse and show y'all how I do the left side. So here we go. Turn the headlights on. I still ain't put everything back, but I gotta make sure everything is on. So I got nice white lights right there, and we got nice white lights right there. Hopefully you can see that. All right, so we're done with that. So now it's time to put everything back together. Oh, my knees cracking. I heard that, see? You know. So I got nice white lights, man. No more of them yellow ugly lights. I hated those. That was one thing I had to go. I ordered those lights ASAP. And these lights are pretty good. They last for a long time. Cause I bought them a long time ago for my Mazda 3 that I got up there. And they've been good ever since. And I'm gonna buy some more. I got some for Monica, but they messed up and sent the wrong one, so they're gonna send some more. But yeah, these are pretty good, man. I'm not even sponsored by them, but I like the LED lights and they're extremely bright. Let me turn it back. Ugh. I can see it, cause I'm awkward with the position anyway. Let me go ahead and just set it down. It's hard to work with one hand, so y'all see, man, go order them. I get them off Amazon or you can get them off eBay. So, yeah, go ahead, y'all. So now it's time to put all this stuff back together.
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Bye, Bubble Boy.
Alright, so I'm all done. About to go close up the trunk, about to go show y'all how everything really looks. But yeah, these are the headlights that I use, and I'm about to go ahead and yeah, close up this video, man. Alright, y'all, so got the closed trunk, about to go test them out, man. Y'all about to see, I'm about to go turn them on. Let's go see. I got all these other cars over here. Everybody watching, all my neighbors. So I'm gonna go ahead and start up the thing so you can see everything. Ooh, that thing shake. I'm putting on all that jazz. Let me see. Okay, I got my fog lights on. Okay. So this how it look. Oh, look a lot better. So I got the white lights. See, it's white. It's not yellow no more. So I'm gonna show y'all. If y'all seen the see, everything is white. I don't know why those are yellow. I'm gonna have to look into those and see why those are kind of yellowish. But like when like when you look them in the camera, they don't look yellow. But when you look at them, like just your eye, they're not yellow at all. Wow, they do look yellow looking at it, but then when you look at those, so there you go, man. You know, one of them ugly lights. I hate those. So all done with that. All right, man. So I'm done with this video, everybody. I hope y'all like the video. It's really simple stuff, and they make it so much better how they put in the light bulbs and everything. You don't have to do all them clamps and things. All you gotta do is twist, pull, unclamp it, and then do all that. But it's none of that metal clamping. I hated that in my old cars. But yeah, this is the first mod that I got for this one. So hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single day, y'all. I thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Peace.